Or you can make your own. I've got a little chopped milk chocolate over here. Now I'm gonna wrap this just as I would an egg roll. So that. All right, I've got my fryer heated to 350 degrees. I'm gonna lift my zap out and lay them right on the basket. I'm gonna drop them down in there. You'll kind of want to give them a turn. Just when you thought you couldn't make cheesecake, and it won't take these long to brown. This looks perfectly delicious. All right, I think those are nice and chip that. So I guess it's time for me to sign off. And until next time, you know that I always send y'all love and best chip. I'll just transfer them to my paper towel. Black people.